Hey, Anissa Coy here from Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week, our question comes in from Texas. And here it is. Hi, Anissa. My question for you is, do you thermal fog your contents jobs before you pack out? And if so, how does hydroxyl play into that? If you are using hydroxyl, is thermal fog unnecessary in your opinion? In some of your videos from years back, I seem to remember you talking about doing fogging and was wondering what your thoughts were on that today. Thank you so much for all of your great videos. Me and my crew have learned so much from you, and I hope to be able to meet you in person one day. Cheers, your raving fan from Texas, Katrina. Well, thank you very much, Katrina, for that. Very glad that you and your team are enjoying the videos and learning from them. That's why I do them for everybody every week. So to answer your question, no, I do not thermal fog anymore. I did back in the day. You will probably find some videos on my channel where I talk about the right equipment to use on a job and I go over thermal fogging. But, you know, just like ozoning, when it comes to thermal fogging, I feel like there's way better technology now for us to use and it just works better. So I only hydroxyl. In fact, I set my hydroxyl up to run while I'm doing my pack out, and then I set it up when I'm in my shop so that it's running, as well as having a hydroxyl room set up just for once items are all cleaned and ready to go be packed back in, and I want to do deodorizing or a little extra protection, then I put them in the hydroxyl room. So the reason that I got away from thermal fogging was, yes, it got rid of the smoke odor. But what happened was I found, just like ozoning, it just replaced it with a new odor. For instance, you know, everyone's house, it would smell like a cherry bomb went off in someone's house after you got done thermal fogging. And so the homeowners didn't smell the fire, but they smelled that other smell, and it was still, you know, overpowering and just not something that they liked. And on top of that, I always had to then clean off the residue that would wind up landing on items from the thermal fogging. So anyway, I just skip that step altogether and don't do it. I just start right out with my hydroxyl. The big thing that I love so much about hydroxyl is not only does it work fantastic, but it also replaces, you know, the smoke odor with a clean air smell. I don't know if you've ever smelled hydroxyl before, but it literally, to me, it's like that new out of the box, new car smell that you know, get when you first sit inside of a brand new car. It doesn't smell like off gases. It doesn't smell like a chemical. It just smells like those nice, you know, sun dried sheets off the clothesline in the middle of summer. That is exactly what it smells like, because when you dry sheets or a blanket or a towel on a clothesline and you take it off and, you know, put it up to your face, what you're smelling is hydroxyl. So anyway, I do not thermal fog. I do just the hydroxyl, as I feel like that works best and skips a step for me and makes my clients much happier. All right. Well, Katrina, I hope that answered your question. And by the way, I wanted to let you know, I do have an opportunity to come meet me in person. I'm going to be in Las Vegas at the Experience and actually doing a workshop there in September. I'll put the link below the video if you'd like to check it out, but you can go over to experiencetheevents.com and look at the full agenda and come on over to the event. It's really a great event. There's a lot of wonderful education that's going to go on there, and I'd love to meet you. All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I want you to be sure and subscribe to rnrmegonline.com's e-newsletter, and be sure that you also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video if you're watching on the YouTube channel, or make a comment and share. If you have someone in the restoration industry, friend or whatnot, please be sure and share my videos. I would really appreciate that. And on that note, I will see you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.